A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Please put a like and leave a comment. We could get straight into this. Alright, so the guy here in America saying vote for Trump. And he called me and I check up and let me know saying love him president or go on and anything. You understand? Anything. And if you vote again, him a vote for Trump because I love the work we do. Put it in a comment if you love the work where Mr. Trump do or you against it or what. Put it in a chat. But this man is a Jamaican living in the States. So I try to tell him, say, what if them turn upon him as a naturalized citizen? But I'm not going to listen to the conversation. I could drive and listen. Like and comment and listen to this. Oh, hold on, before I move on, I'm going to have an update with a story. Remember the story I post with the British lady? Yeah, I want to listen because the guy did call in. I'm going to get 2 cents from him plus other ladies. Remember this calling was over TikTok, not a conversation with me anymore. Alright? So, the people who sensitive, if you don't know, listen because a whole heap of things talking tonight. Alright? Alright, so I'm going to listen where the Trump vote is and then we'll move on to that. We could drive and listen. Yes.
Where are some boss?
Why I'm surprised it's still the America.
What you mean, man? Me not the so, man. Me not the so.
You think your president deported or rotted?
No, man, I'm my boss, not power, man. I'm my boss, not power. I love my boss.
Yeah.
The other day, we do a program that to write with some girl for England. And how them girls behave so?
Well, I don't know.
Behave on a live. On a live. Yeah.
I try
What am I talk about that?
What then they talk about? What they talk about?
They not talk about some man or some shit like that. And
over TikTok, man, that's how when we go over them, man, raw and straight, you know, filter nothing. Over there, so come like a big yard. Yeah. I think you get deported, because you say you vote for Trump, so I think say.
No, man, they know me if you vote for them, how me if you go. We have him there now.
You regret a vote, though?
No, man, we got a man. And if, man, me tell you already, say if we run 10 more time, we vote for him same way.
No, sir, you're serious. As a Jamaican, man.
What do you mean?
But you're not sorry if you look at people and want to try and you might dip them and then look at something, man. Come on.
Well, if you were there and you were there on the right foot, you must put yourself on the right foot and stay out of arm's way.
Yeah, but remember, son, everybody get through, have the opportunity to get through.
Let me show you something. Me ever said something to you, and you must understand me, I say. Everybody get the chance to come to America. Everybody get a chance to come to America. You know why I say everybody get a chance? They play land with you safe, or if you come across the border, you come across safe, right? No disaster, no happen. So, are you for make use of yourself? Me wrong or me right?
I understand the answer, but with that being said, why point you that said that? What you mean? You fully try to say. Remember, if somebody come and document, you must try to straighten out himself.
Yes.
But them not give them the time to straighten themselves now.
No, but you never hang with the wrong crowd and the wrong king. You know what I'm saying?
Did you born in America or you naturalized citizen?
Oh, me no born here, man.
Then suppose one day start strip everybody naturalized and them something. You know hear about it?
Whether if strip everybody, me when me can't live off of Jamaica. So me don't give a fuck where them want to think or where nobody want to say. And me still love him same fucking way. If him fuck me still love him.
So you have no sympathize alligator, Alcaraz and them places where make and ice a dead people from courthouse or try to straighten themselves. You still support him.
That's what me say. You see what them say Trump do? Every president do it. But don't think same talk where him do. But them do what them do. Obama deport more people more than anything else in America.
No, you know, so that me everybody will come with the damn talk, the Obama this, Obama that. But with Obama never. No, what I say, with Obama never do, he never treat the people them like animal they were.
Yes, but I mean, him do it, but him do it also the kind of way.
Yeah, but talk the truth. I'll find out what I president. This is the worst you ever seen in America. Talk the truth.
No, sir.
Who did do it worse than him?
George Bush worse than him.
George Bush?
Because the daddy Bush, when Carl, all right, I don't know if you hear about one brother when he did on them hard. Where him dead down at Jamaica was a drug kingpin, Norris Nemad. And the man said, Nourish Nemad have to get work. And they never stop till they make Nourish Nemad come to prison and come up here, come do so much time in a prison up here. With Ram Sharam, them banal, them man, they don't have mobile there. So when man come tell me, anything where Trump do, him do it. But him talk where man do. But them the man they do where them do under the DK way and people don't see it. No people believe say Obama is a black man. Obama was there for them. No, Obama is not for no black man. And Kamala Harris was the president. A lot of man couldn't even talk to them woman in them. America not ready for that. America not ready for that. You have to know where I say, man. Okay. So things down there good?
Everything good, man. Me there, want to take a trip come over there, but I'm afraid they hold me and carry me go down detention and so.
Man, listen, man. Nobody now will can go nowhere, not nowhere. No, listen to careless people who talk. When people talk, some people not telling you the whole truth of what going on. Some people book them to down the road already, and so when they go, they know it's surface, you hear?
Oh.
So nobody listen to that. If you listen to it, all right. If you listen to everything what happened in Jamaica, you wouldn't come out of your house at Jamaica because you never go say everybody, they kill everybody in Jamaica.
So
because if you look and say, what are they? You know, let me talk about the girl. Yeah. If you look and see what happened in Jamaica, you never come out of your house and go downtown. And if Portmore go downtown or whatever. I even come out of your house and Portmore and stay out the door. And go out the door. If you look.
Okay.
You understand? What to Errol, man?
Errol, in good, man. In busy family there. Me and him talk today. I'll call him later and hear him say, I'm always having things.
So in there?
Yeah, Errol say him not feel safe neither, so he never know so this happens, you know? And Errol straight like her, so I don't know.
Things man safe, man. The mongrel just paranoid, man.
Okay.
So just paranoid, the man is paranoid. You're not for paranoid, I know.
Okay. All right.
Because I see people when they even straight, them still walk the street and doing what they want to see. Much less who straight and there. But like me say, the kind can flip anytime, so it no matter to nobody.
No matter to nobody, okay. All right.
You have to just do that.
All right, big up yourself.
You want to say wrong place at the wrong time? Yeah. All right, brother.
All right, cool. Yeah, guys, let me know what you think about that, please. And thanks. I know it's going to irritate the phone, but you don't know. That's how you go. Anyway, man, say it is what it is, and you got to do it all over again. And if I saw you go, if you can get knocked, I saw you go. Anyway, guys, that. So, I call so the part I'm put out a disclaimer. So, I take my video them from over TikTok, I'm going to put them. Yeah. I just share from a different point of view. Alright? Whatever been said over TikTok is a different platform from here. So I want to get used to it. And as me always say, certain things not fit for ears, you not listen it, you just skip. You comment on the Trump part alone then. The Trump vote, I don't know about listening to the other part because somehow not go get irritated, somehow not go say this and that. I don't know. Me I go blog or me want blog. So I'm put that out there. Anyway, me I beg you sound like still, even though you not press like fan what day. Yeah man, I want some likes and comment on the video. I could listen part of the British lady story. She said she talked to him. But I make you hear a conversation. I make you listen when the man call in to. I make you listen when the two lady them call in a last and a gimmick. But anyway, I could listen.
So in what every little ends to tighten up. So we need to get this over with. So him answer the phone and I talk to him. Me never remember where I tell me say him say, but anyway, I diss him up. So this morning now, early morning.
Hold on, when I say this up, more you be like what?
Me don't know because
Batty
he never
boy,
made me hear the conversation. No, he never made me hear the conversation. He dealt with it by himself. So maybe you'd have to go talk to him to find out what happened. But the guy called. No, I think me hear one time me hear him said to him say, oh, if him not pay no money until the
video
come down. So me hear my man said to him say, it's not coming down until you pay the money.
Exactly.
Yes. So Him deal with it because when him come off my phone, him said to me, say, me make him feel small because him have to deal with some little nincompoop. And the way the guy talk to him don't need that to go further and, this and that. So I apologize to him, whatever, we go our bed.
Mm-hmm.
The guy called back with Craig with the money, Andre.
Mm-hmm.
And him apologize, say him apologize, say, him talk to my partner. Because I guess him think him did not answer the phone.
Mm-hmm.
So, him said to me, say, him apologize, but him talk to the guy and very, and him wrong and this and that. So, him going to pay the money back £500 a month.
£500 a month?
A month. So, Mr. Tim said, listen, I have to discuss that with my other half first before we can make, say, that arrangement with you. By the time I could have laid down back for you, try go back to sleep. The phone ring again. So I say, oh, this one, me answer the phone. Oh, you talk to him, but my man didn't sleep, and he's a person who don't like nobody wake him.
Mm-hmm.
So Mr. Tim said, all right then. But when he wake up now, for go work, and me and him talk, he said to me, say, make him put it in writing. So me have phone back Craig now, Andre, for say to him, say, him need to put it in writing. So say him will pay the money £500 a month. So we can have some kind of closure. Because to me, Damien, we should not take £500 a month.
And that may I say to that are before that are how much money is on for 3 grand? That are
6 payments.
So I take 6 months.
Yeah. But me I say it's either him just wait till December and just give me the whole of the money one time. Because why me think that way, Damien? Remember I paid him that money to do a job. And him accept the money and never do the job. So I not think him should have given back my money in a pieces.
Yeah, because when people are paying money and they draw out and then can come with all type of story.
Yes. And then now...
But he might want you to take down your video.
If he don't not come down till him pay it. If he don't not, more video will go up to if he can't take, because what happened, one day the guy paid him last night. I think what happened, because you see the situation with my man what happened. Me get one other serious man with phone him. So I think when him see that person they call him now, I think that way him get scared now. Because them people they know and the type of people will talk. And I never wanted it to reach that way.
Mm-hmm.
I never wanted it to reach that way because me know how them English guy you think. You understand me? Them ain't gonna come and talk with no yard boy.
Mm-mm.
They got and let me tell you something. You see them places I pay a knife for people.
Yeah, man, I see it on the news.
I pay a knife them and you see down where him live, me I tell you see all the youth when me call.
Mm-hmm.
That boy that we just hold him. Cause you know what the guy said to me? The guy said to me, say, every morning that boy that wake up him looking at his face and see the reason why him have that slice in his face. I true you not understand.
You want to mess up your face, boy face?
Some people, something they come like when you butter bread for them.
Papa Jesus.
And that's what me don't want. Me don't want that for nobody.
Mm-hmm.
Me don't want that. But the way he act and the way he make, because even when the guy go up on the thing and read, you view them, he must say the people that make it look like, say, a sex the boy did a collect for. But he must say sometimes, if the guy did a fuck you and the fuck never good, why would you be paying for sex?
Mm-hmm. Because when me ask you if him a grind you good, you say no.
He got no use. He got no use.
Yes, and all in tongue, he can use good on them Sunday.
They're getting terribly sick. You don't have no use. You don't have no use at all. None of use at all.
Okay.
No use. And the arrangement...
So you don't have no use. Be specific, like him can...
He don't have no use. No use, dear man.
So
no
like
use,
say you lay down on the bed, or say you lay down on the bed and him give you some sex. What happening? Him can... In body soft, him can work you, him pop off quick, what?
Dear man, he don't have no use.
When woman say man, me always want to understand what. Because a man can grind you and pop off quick enough. And then after that, now you say you're not satisfied.
It just not have nothing to do. Me never know how to explain. Number one, in the first place, I never want him. And I've made that clear. So there's no real connection. So I don't know. A lot of people say you probably find a man good in a bed when you have connection with him, even if him a crap. So I think maybe because there was no roots, so nothing at all would have never worked anyway.
Okay.
So maybe no matter where you
but
do
you
it,
must like this man feel lay down with him still, no matter what. I can't just on your
you know
honest
what?
and you just
Let
say,
me
hey,
tell
take
you.
it.
No. In the beginning, me just did try to know him. You understand me? But he was very forceful. And this is what I try to explain to people. He was very forceful unto me. Because sometimes me we get up for gas to drop my son to school in the morning, then me look him there at my door.
I want stalker. So here may I ask about him. How much about if you put it in numbers, how much time you just say on have fun
Like with sex?
yeah, how much time since
multiple times.
Yeah, but
Over
when me I
maybe a
say
3-year period.
huh?
Yeah.
Come again, where say ago?
Multiple time over a 3-year period.
Oh, you know him for 3 years.
Multiple time over a 3-year
Oh, then
period.
no, it can't no good then. If somebody has sex for 3 years, you just he
But
must have
that's
do
what I
something,
said.
man.
Man, listen.
So him never
listen.
hold on, him never make you commit.
Never. I promise you, never. Not even once. Not even once.
Oh, so it's like him a pleasure himself then, basically. And you just
Maybe.
Oh,
So I don't
3
know what he
years.
was going through or what was his issue, but he was very forceful on me. Very forceful. And I never liked it. Me with their work, when me finish work, oh, me there, sir. Me say, no, me, you come to come, me never make arrangement with you.
But so it's somewhat you give in.
No, me stay, I'm tired. Me in my house. I know me you come to. Me never make the arrangement to meet her. So if you want drive from wherever you drive from to come and that's nothing to do with me.
Oh. But you know, so when you give me a story, I never know say it was a 3-year period. I thought
Over a 3-year period.
you never get that. I thought that it was like this happened like in a couple of months. 'Cause 3 years.
No. Yeah.
So you not get
The painting with the money, just happening,
so you animal date for a 3-year period and then now
Yeah, and then after
the
now,
painting things start transpiring now.
Yeah. Because remember, he borrowed the money from the first part, the £2,000, and then after me ask him to do the painting job. And me even that thing say, would I say, all right, me borrow money from her, me paint the place, and then, No. So, in all mind concept, you see, even from my partner talking to him, him feel like, say, him entitled to other people money.
No, but question I want to ask you, the partner you have, recently you start dating?
Over 5 years.
No, man, when I try to get this partner now where you have, like, we talk to him on the phone, see? How long now you and the partner you talk?
I know him for 5 years.
And how long now when you get close?
Maybe about 3 years.
3 years. Oh, so you dated two of them similar time or?
No, I never dated the two of them. What happened? I never wanted that guy.
Oh, so you never want the guy there, but the other guy you did want?
Not really. So, I don't know if it ever happened. When like maybe one person start chasing, multiple people start chasing, so you probably have options, but you don't really pay nobody no attention because the person will push onto you so much, you're not interested in them, or you may be interested in them, you're not look the other way. So when that guy gone about in business though, it eventually happened that me and this guy end up getting closer and closer.
Okay. You know say, yeah, my fee say, is the painter guy? Fee say you love the painter guy.
I don't. Me can promise you.
Yeah, you love the painter guy. So what you do now, when you painter guy and you stop talk, if I saw you go, you just make the youth slide in and start to get over him.
I know some would prefer the youth, because me not like brown man.
No, but for your dating...
This is why I would love for you to talk to the painter guy. Because you see a lot of would love for you to... You see, the thing is, man, I've been so transparent with him. I tell him, I say, I don't like brown man, but I like black men are my men. Anybody who know me knows that me don't like nothing with brown. You have to be black and tall. Black man and my man. The blacker you be, the better for me. Me don't like brown skin man.
And you know, say, me always say this to my audience them, and me study certain things, even though me not go college, but me study human behavior. Like when me cover stories and stuff, I always say this, and you just prove it to me now. A woman, we have a man a date now, but she have somebody in her background. I look at her. So for she now, whenever the relationship they crash, she got always easy if you just move on to somebody else.
Especially if you don't want the man. That's why when man said they don't want the man.
That's why I don't want my woman. That's why I don't want my woman keep no a male friend. Because I know say for some reason one out of two of them she go like one and one of them and put argument to her. So then just 1 year say, oh, you know, say John Tam gone, that is it.
I may have only a male friend, but I think my man trusts me anyway.
Okay.
I think he trusts me because there's no, you know, when you're luck or nothing.
So the man I know where you have now, he can perform good.
Definitely.
Okay.
Definitely. No issues.
Okay.
Otherwise, he wouldn't be here. So you're mad?
You'd get rid of him too.
Of course I would.
Okay.
Of course I would. No, man, not nice like when you're happy, no, man. Not nice like when you're happy. That's why I don't know where this demon spirit person come from. Come and text it. If you ever see how him text it for me, Damien, you don't never understand. Pop up. When they look you in my face. But he never had any good intention. And I've always been transparent with him. I tell him I never want him. I tell him, I even show him my ex. I say, listen, see my ex, yeah? I would rather deal with him right now than deal with you.
Ex as in what, your baby father? Or just...
No, just my ex-partner. But before I deal with him. When I never deal with him, before I sleep with him. And I said to him, say, you're not my type. I've told him, I mean, I like how him act little feminish. Yeah, I have a little feminine ways about him. Even last night, my man said to me, son, this guy I touch, he's not straight.
How did you say?
Yeah, he's not straight, man. He's not straight at all. Because when my man said to him, say, why do you feel you don't need to pay her the money back? Oh, but you don't know the agreement. So what is the agreement? Explain to me, because him thinks that me never transparent with my man with everything. Or him never have the information. He wasn't loaded with the information. But luckily, I am the type of person I am. I give him the information so he can see, say, and allow me to tell. You understand? Which me did send you the bank details, them, the text, them, even though there's more, but make anything at all when me say me can back it up. And he knows that. So he probably think that, baby, because he might ask my man how long me and him there. My man said 5 years.
So, hold on. The painter man asks the...
My man, how long me and him there.
And your painter man said 5 years.
No, my man said to him, say 5 years. My man said to the painter boy, 5 years.
And when he says so, what the painter man say?
He couldn't say nothing.
Yeah, because he must pass. Because he remember say if you were there with him for 3 years, I know. So
him sister, somebody was in the background, innit?
Right. But you know, really, Mrs. say, you know, want to say that, but I try to say, it look like you'll have two men, did I fuck you then, basically?
No, me never did I fuck it two of them. Never did I fuck the two of them, just one.
So the other one, then how if he's saying there for 5 years? When did in the background I do?
But he's just there.
Does a spy? Does a lookout?
No, you have someone who does sit down and literally wait for you.
What kind of man? That's why man them in England, tan. What kind of something there? I wish man in the background and wait. Feel like a punish? No, sir.
Not just punish alone.
No, then look how England big with a lot of nationality of women. So I don't understand why the man that does.
And every one of them can do the things that me can do.
Ooh, wow. There you go.
There you go.
Okay. I told her.
Baby, I'm bad.
Look like me have to come to England, the council are going over there, cause look like
Definitely.
It can be a fun going over there.
Well, fun in the sun out, you know.
You know, definitely have fun in the sun.
But he needs to pay me though, Damien. This chapter needs to close so I can move on with my life. I mean, feel like saying deliberately, I try to hang on in the background because he must say him block me. So when my man said to him, why did you block her? You can't owe somebody money and block them.
You know, so by right, do your man not in an argument with this man about money?
Yeah, he doesn't want to. He told me, he said he's done.
Are you I work out that? Cause me, you know, as a G, no woman, me could in a woman life, and me I talk to her ex about money where me no business I know one was.
That's what. But you know the reason why he did it because he remember saying all through that painter boy relationship, he was always there.
Oh, he was always there as in what? Like
yeah, remember saying all through this guy episode and everything, my man now was always there. So he was always aware and know everything we are going on. So that's why he can actually feel confident to have a conversation with him.
Oh, so you used to carry news from the relationship and tell him if you have no problem to him? Yeah,
because me never wonder one day.
Oh, God.
You understand what I mean? So when you don't want somebody, you're not going to keep no confidentiality.
Yeah, but me I say, if you don't want somebody, or you make him a get in your panty all the while, that me understand. That's
what me I tell you sometimes. We in my house and me look somebody just turn up on my door. So I'm just wondering.
So when you turn up, you can't say, no, I'm not in it with you today, please.
Damien, this guy, I'm not saying that I can't and I couldn't have, but I didn't. And that's the reality.
So him just once you let him in the house and just hold it down and just start grinding you?
No, not really. But, him have him ways where...
He get in and then he just walk, carry go up by bedroom and do him and do and come out.
Whatever, yeah. Okay. Basically. Not bedroom really, but mostly hotels. As me tell you,
mostly hotels. He must get 1-2 try in the house, man. I know what them thing they go. If I want to look screechy, if I want to look 3 minutes, pop off, or I want to look 5 minutes.
I'm not sure about that.
Yeah, man. That's a general rule,
I can't remember.
When he come out, he normally have an painting suit. When he come, or just normal, like having.
He always dress up.
Oh, you know, have any overall with the paint up with him. Okay.
He took it with the intention not to paint the house and not to return my money.
Okay.
Let me try and get him on the phone. Don't hang up there, man. Let me add him to the call, yeah?
No, but
and then you can record him.
Me no want him to say
No, man, I idiot. Just wait, man.
Yeah?
I idiot. Just record it.
True me I say me tell me on the TikTok, so I don't want him voice come over upon it. Just some other one record him. When you say on my TikTok, that everybody aware of story, I will put you out there, so that's different.
Yeah.
So that's another thing. Let me say if nobody asks no question, they might say, you talk, hold on, you don't want feeling sorry man dating for 3 years.
I never dated him for 3 years. He was always the one turning up. Ask him if I ever go out of my way to reach out to him or do anything for him. No.
Put him on the phone, because I have enough. 1 year ago.
Wait there. Okay, let's try and add him.
You can add him? You can do it?
Wait 1 minute.
Click on it, so add him. I hear what I say. Because I know him not going to talk with me on the phone. He might come off.
Him not come off.
He going to call me, hey, batty boy, come off, hey.
No, he will not do that. I'm telling you, he won't do that. He won't do that. Let me look for
man,
the name.
That's why man asks you how long you and the man that talk. He get in her head, he look a chip. He must say, then wait. When the things that me alone did, was a man where
No, man, I never wanted him, and I've made it clear to him that I never wanted him. Wait a day, man. May I try to add him to the call?
Yeah, man, may I wait, man.
Let's have a look. Why is he not at
if I make the call, if
WhatsApp.
No, wait. We need to have to save him number in my phone.
Yeah, you have to save his name first.
Yeah, come on, let me just do this, please.
Just put one name, put like Workless Painter Boy or something.
He's a gigolo. Or
Gigolo Painter. Put Gigolo Painter and then let's try it.
Let me see if I find the number. So where's the number?
Goddess, me so add it to the me can't add it now, because I talk to the lady. When I done, me add it.
Yeah, man, you probably have to go make me call him and then add you.
Yeah, do that. Hang up and call him and then you try add me. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Anyway, guys, so that I go on. Hey, this I decide thing now. When I see people comment and when I post the video upon YouTube, I see some people I say, oh, you know, respect the lady get trick and Ray. I say, listen, man. The lady never tell me say 3 years she and the man. Me think say something like what happening in a 1 or 2 month, guys. I swear. If she did tell me say 3 years, mother said then me could never talk to a woman for 3 years. Like, me now attracted to you. Oh, that all work for me. Me not understand. 3 years. And you say him never make you come, him no good, and him not that. So that means if he did do all that good work, then paint and performance, everything, maybe should have just love him. But she tell me say she find out say he's a player can have a wife. I have to play back her story I couldn't hear you now. I play back after this. Because she said she find out say him have a whole family, a wife and something. So I get there is some jealousy or something. I don't know. Me just after you deal with somebody for 3 years and then you take off your clothes. You and them somebody that must have some form of connection. Just text me.
Damien.
He now got answer, man.
Wait, him text me back though. Him said, may I send it to you? Him say, wait, let me text it back and send it to you. Let me show you the text.
Yo, tell him for running money on us. Me nah come off him, man.
So I tell him, say, put it in a payment plan. He says, son, I will sort it out. I don't want any more drama.
Let me see.
That's what I'm saying. Just so when?
Please put the payment plan. Son, I will sort it out. I wonder if in the on my TikTok, I listen me and him no want come talk.
Maybe.
Son, I will sort it out. I don't want any more drama. Yeah, but you can't just take that, no. Yeah. So me woman say I monkey money that me say, okay. The woman want her money. So the woman wanted 2,500 on the bank and you want your 3,000 pounds. You see the difference? You need the money. Of course. I will pay money though.
You buy my ticket, I'm going to me 7 days in a real.
You'd rather lose the money there, so.
What do you man? I'd rather go cock up in a real and eat, drink and go out with myself. Than make a boy sit down for my money when I get up 6 o'clock in the morning time go work.
Right. If you're a man we can't perform neither. That make you even do the worst.
That's it, yeah, no.
You still have a picture in tongue?
Yeah. You just go around and sleep with women so that you can finance yourself. That's what it is. You just want to go around.
Send me a picture of tongue. One lady said she want to see it because she said if your tongue look good, she want to call him. So
she want it. Okay, no problem.
Yeah, so hold on. This exclusive.
Yeah. When you called me this morning, obviously I couldn't speak. You understand me? Right. So all it is, this never had to reach where it is.
Well, that's true still, and it reach where it reach. I'm going to want it to reach that further. You understand me?
Yeah.
And at the end of the day, listen, at the end of the day, I'm not disrespect you, I'm not violate you. I'm not come to you with no war and no badness. We're going to sort out, and that's at the bottom line. We're not going no further with that and baby mother and whatnot. It's not necessary. You understand me?
Why upon the bottom line? Why upon the bottom line?
You get
So
me?
what you saying now? You're gonna be paying me £500 each month in my bank account for 6 months.
Yeah. As from next month, yeah.
What date next month?
The end of next month.
What's the end? The 30th, the 20th?
The end of the month, son.
I don't know the end of the month. That's why I'm asking you. Why can't you be more specific? Do you hear?
Him gone.
Well, him say I give her $500 a month. I don't know if she want that, but in talk like him want me pull down a video. She said, I not pull it down until him start payment. One thing, if you pull down a video or if wait till him start pay the lady. Boy, I tell you, no guys gonna be careful out there. Because some of them women they not take it. So nobody come out, so I try to cheat them. Okay. Anyway, I go up the box and make me and the ladies then talk. Over TikTok nice this morning, a beach. Then get out tight. Cause some of them are saying on a scam. Because them say if you talk to somebody for 3 years. So, I don't know what went down, but the lady say, I check him, I try check her and she want her money. Which she have all right to because she work hard for it. But can listen what them are saying in the box now. Like and share.
Yeah, I think the situation is deeper because I could never be with someone for 3 years. Like, that's a lot of time to invest in someone. They work together.
Of course.
You
That's
just don't play it now. Like, his tongue was her womb room.
Right.
And, you know, the next man was like, he was maybe in the picture before, but he was a side man.
You feel so she did a grind it 2 man then one time?
Yeah, of course. Of course.
I feel so. For 5 years. But you say man in her back I go and watch out. Which man would I do that?
Listen, me a woman, and as a woman, I speak, me not go pretty up nothing. I feel like he was like in the main spot because him did a lick tun. You understand?
Oh.
Him have her away. It's like how when him come for paint, him back her up same place, right? That's a beer backers. She tell him about hotel and all of them something there. You see, from him come and him drop down on him knee, she just cock up one foot on him shoulder and a beer eat and
greet.
yes. You see, if it was like a couple of months, then we could say like some gameplay, right? And if you notice, like the man, him did don't have a family already, you know. But he might give her what she needed at the time. And she liked it. And it was going on and it made sense for both of them. Right? So that's why she felt so good in herself to hand over money to him. Remember, I know you're not going to just pick up money. You see how she talk about the money now? What possessed her to really hand over that amount of money to somebody where you claim to say, you know what I mean?
True. So it must be something where she like.
No man, them did there. I did our good eat and
Great.
yes, the two of them did in a something deep, and it's like, no, all right, because this is how it going. You see, one time you have your main man when him do things, and you have a side man, you carry your main man name to your side man.
Oh,
that's why it was so transparent between she and this guy.
Oh, so I wanna do it. Okay, may I learn something?
No, you gotta chat him. So when you go to when you go to because you don't want to look bad yourself, you know, say, oh, watch her, she'll take 2 man. So when you go to your side, when you go to the side man out the road now, you're gonna make up all of the things where your man do your real man, you're gonna just tell the man and him go there and you look sorry for and you know, poor you think you have a pity party and everything. But in a female, him go say, you're not the type of woman where me really want. Cause me say you can't there with the two away at the same time.
Because you say man actually say, oh long him and her there. Like that stuck in her head.
Listen, we try to pretty it up and paint a picture, but I mean, look how she talked about the tongue a while ago, but yet still at the same tongue did that bore her, though.
So I remember add Smiley B. She yeah, stay up online got it. Yeah. Smiley B.
Yes. I'm glad to say you had me because me I run late for work. Look here. She said the man can't perform. But them say, if you can't stand up to it, you're going to face it. So the man was facing it all this time. And nothing more than the man that left her. And she vexed about it. Somebody else get the facement. And she vexed about
He
it.
sound
So,
very controlling to me too.
yes. Yes, so she want the man now. So that's why she come out now and ask back for the money. The man for
If you
ask back
notice, she
him
tell us the man
them
are
too.
idiot.
Yes, she think the man are
And she
idiot.
did in charge.
And she was in charge. Yes, and they had a man where she did have. No, I'm not leaving. Sorry.
What do you mean the man for ask back for income? What do you mean by that?
Then if she asks back for the money. Then if she asks back for the money. Look here. I pay the man get paid for eat. And if your man get paid for eat, take the money. You get me? I say, make sure never ask back for the money before the man tap your food.
Exactly.
That is the problem with that is the problem. So she mad now. Somebody else I get the whooping on her back. And she not getting any.
Smiley, you know, say it's hard to find one man who can really, because sometimes the man them like to face up to the tun, you know, and thing, but them really and truly can't do it good, you know.
Up to it, then
So you
can't
see, when you
face it.
find that one day we can do it good,
You have to hold on pan him, put him in a little pocket, and then at the pocket of all and him drop out. I hit no. Look here, you know. I don't want to fire me this morning. But let me tell you something, mix up boss. Me I go call you too, you know, cause one of my church sister borrow my money. And when she done, a 30 grand me I tell you about. I may have proof for sure. Me, I go load her up too. Make she come forward my money, cause she had take 3 years to pay me my money. And 30,000 US dollar, me say. Hey, me no fool. It was a church sister when me see in need, and I thought she was genuine. What me tell you, say, me tell anybody, and me I go down a L. Right, me I go for. I mean I go down a L.
I want to know when you are come talk that story, that I definitely want to hear how you manage to get woman 30,000 US.
Hello, let me tell you something. I'm my best friend. Me and her go on vacation in Jamaica, my church sister. After my husband died and I come to New York, she was there, you know, emotionally for me. And she became my best friend. Church sister me I talk about, you know. And the woman borrow me money. Me wire the money give the woman, you know. Me wire the money give the woman, you know. And the woman say she not owe me the money. When she got to court, she say she give me the money for put on as safekeeping when her husband and her go through divorce.
God.
Then she come back and say, when she hears say my son have a recording from her, me have a recording where she sent to me, because she couldn't find fair recording when she sent to me. She tell me, say she go pay me back my money. And with interest. And yes, you can tell the court, say, you hear me say? Actually, I not find the right platform and the right time, because I just come from work, I go to another job, and I do this like every day. But me I go find time, mix up boss, me I go inbox my number, and me I go come on this platform and load her up. She pay me $750 a month. At 2 weeks, me take to give the woman the money. And me I go wait 3 years to collect my money. No. You obe a man have to go make she pay me one time.
No, but in a them time, you know, and you say, oh, America, because the government feel to want to tell people, so with the country is in depression. You think she can come up with $30,000?
She going to have to sell it out. I want thing me I pray for she not dead. I want thing me I pray for she not dead.
$30,000 a year.
Look here.
Minimum wage.
Look here, me dear. I have to me I say, what me did I think? I say to her and I say, what was I thinking when I loan you this money? Me never know what me did I think about. But then I was helping her, believing she would have sell her property where she sell, because she said she a realtor, and I would have gotten my money back.
Christian scam too, you know.
Look here, man. A handline me go to church now, you know. And me now go in there, go pace up with them. Because them too evil. That woman, they make me hate church people. Remember me tell you. And then she get up and send me text a morning time. I say, look here, no send me no message about Jesus. Say, tell Jesus, me say, to tell you if he send me money back. I him to tell you if he come to me. You understand me? But back to this woman. She need to love the man with the money. The man use up in tongue enough.
Yeah,
And
if I mean like the man to
him
calculate every eat.
every slip, every tongue, every wipe,
And tell
every
us say
swipe.
2 bills say every come where you come from the tongue.
Which one are 2 bills? You know, me come over the thump, you know, and I can come back at work.
Yeah, man, 2
2
bills. Cause what if I eat? Listen.
Hello.
3 years.
Look here.
Listen.
I
In a 1 week.
I will eat it, and then hear what she gonna say. She never there with the man. How you mean your him wasn't in a relationship? Where your a life sentence that 3 years in a something with anybody is a life sentence? Eh? 3 years and you want to say your man? And some link missing from the story. And then she gonna say, oh, she never have sex in the house. Look here. Before the man come through the door, she arrest at the tongue.
Listen,
she not even make him man take off his clothes.
Our walls with him tongue before him even start paint the actual walls.
I will tell you, if them fly on the wall could attack.
I mean, know how them eat and man they stay. You see, once they tell you say they want when you and them alone in a private space and they say they're ready, and your belly bottom, the something down in the belly bottom down, the so below your name, and you jump. Lord Jesus, your wings like rock.
One girl tell me yesterday, said the man, when he up in her leg, he like him and said that foot they don't need to be around here. Him and just a tear out in crutches that she have to hide from him. She have to hide from him. And then when he talk, he say, him not do them stuff there. Leave the man alone. The man pay for, I hope she up on the phone I listen. The man get paid for the job where him do 3 years. Him should get more. I hope when tax time coming can get her tax.
And yeah, mash up a good thing, cause guess what, supposed your man can't eat good like him.
She go back to him, you know. She go look for him. And that's why she should have keep him like a spare tire. Exactly.
Yeah, make him eat it out.
Yes.
The rest of the money.
Thing and stop crying, boy.
Yes, come up with some agreement with him. Listen, come give me 2 eats a week.
If you give me 1, then me gone with it.
I hear him a while ago about mountain. So him don't want this mountain, you know, him want next month.
Look here, him never say which mountain. Him never say which mountain.
No, he did say. He said next mountain. Oh, he did.
Yeah, he said so.
He said next mountain, so him not really want to, and then him, you know, like him gonna have the rest of this time.
Hold on. Stop it nice. Him gonna call me. Hold on.
Let me mute.
Yeah. Hello.
Will the video be coming down?
No, I see her video and I see her. So. She yeah. So I don't know.
Did she mention to you? Say she take it down or what?
No, she said she want from farm a payment first before she have to see that.
Well, I said to her at the end of the month, we start out the thing. You understand? Me and her talk. I don't know if you probably catch some of the conversation.
Yeah, I did hear little bits and pieces, but I never really.
I did say to her, you know, I got started out. End of August, I got get her payment. So, I don't know what she said to you.
Yeah, she called me, because I try for her voice and for her audio, and she would have the copyright for it. So I can't, just go do that. Because I did a call if you get your side of the story, but for some reason, you're not answer.
No, here one. To the missed call, but I never know who. So when you say painter, I said, who the hell know me as painter? At Jamaica.
I stay, bro. I love split.
I don't know this person.
Yeah, I love split justice, I know, so I always want to hear the other side.
You're not wrong, you know.
Yeah, so I say, I call the G and ask him what go on. You know, this man, he should make me know, so 3 year, what a relationship with him. I never know, so 3 year on a date, so she share the story, but I never really understand the whole concept of the whole thing and stuff, so. But if I agree to pay her back still, I realize...
I did say it to her, I tell her, I said, listen, just take down the video because the thing not there, so because that chick have respect. You understand me? So I don't think it should have even reached to that. But I understand the reason why. You understand me? But I'm disappointed in her way for say, boy, she really do that. You understand me?
Okay.
But I should try to reach out to me and say, boy, Ray, blah, blah, blah. You understand me? So at the end of the day, me's not a fuck up you. But that's if I'm going to do the right thing. I'm going to do the right thing. You understand me? And I did say that to her this morning. I said, yo, you hear me? I'm going to deal with them, I have to deal with it. You understand me? Just take that off of the thing, kind of look good both for me and you. It doesn't look good. She put it up thinking she'd do me damage, and it don't look good on her side as well. You understand me?
Okay.
So I'm going to sort out because I don't like them things. And he's not an unfair person. You understand me? But conversation with it go on and me, the things, everything, all right. But then never get into that conversation. She said, she want back.
It gone. Because she move on with somebody else and rate it.
I'm going to just deal with it, boy. You understand me? But I just need her to take it down. I did say to her, I said, listen, tell the guy to just take off the video because at the end of the day, it don't look good for me and it don't look good for you. You understand me? And me another type of person. I don't know she as the type of person that we don't want.
So what make you the black eye?
The reason being with the black eye, some argument did happen with she and another youth I know. You understand me? And she said something to me about the youth and I mention it to the youth, you understand me? And the youth probably see her and say, nah, talk to her because they feel disrespected, you understand me? Which me never get into. It's not even a big issue. You understand me? Something small, you understand me? Which it never, we shouldn't even block her by right.
Yeah, because it all look away if me lending her money. Yeah. The money was lent to you though, right? Because she showed me the text and something. Wait it. All right.
There's so much twist and turn in this, I don't know what to say. But here what I'm going to do. Because she did give me the money. So I'm going to give her about the money. Whatever she did tell me, I'm not going to burn her out or nothing. You understand me? Because she tell me something totally different after. You understand me? So...
But you can't talk, because you done. And
no, I don't want, listen, I don't want the pandemic thing, my brother. I just explain to you as a man where in the middle and you listen to her side and you do what you have to do. You understand me? I can't say nothing because she probably pay your fee. You understand me?
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, Bridget, the caravan come and mix up and try to send when we have to say put it out there or whatever. That's not relevant.
Okay. You just clear.
It make the situation the better, to be honest. So it's not like I want a platform to explain myself and counteract what she has said. You understand me?
Yeah.
But I just want to deal with it, done, and everything done. You understand me? Because as somebody who I highly respect. You understand me? Some of them not going to go below the belt to try to discriminate no one. You understand? Because me is not that character, my brother. I tell you the truth. Anybody where you know me and we'll probably come to you and tell you, say, yo, it's not like that, you know. And it's just a misunderstanding with the whole thing. Because me did have one thing a different way, but in a fair edge, she probably have it a different way. You understand me? So I just tested the miss up there.
Okay.
You understand me? But it not look good for none will be hard first. You understand me? It not look good for nobody be hard. And if she want to keep it up, she can keep it up. Now the girl back her thing, whatever she want to do.
Yeah.
You understand me? Because
just get her and make it slide and so.
I'm stay them with it. Come here, call her to tell her, because she hook you. Now go do the right thing, you know. I say, Father God, now go do the right thing. You understand me?
But may I say this to you as a man, you know. Maybe if she never put up the video there, you know, maybe you would do something there, you know. No, if you block her, no, we are talking straight. If you block her, you know, that means you don't want a communication with her. So what may I say, if you did...
No, that is not, you know...
Alright, let me make a talk. Alright.
You see, you know I get the understanding why I say. The phone echo.
Oh, sorry about that. I dip on speaker, man. I talk to, because I do something here. But may I hear you?
Anyway, that's neither here nor there.
Yeah. It's either there or there. So if you say I go give her back your money, right, just make it...
It don't make no sense to explain to you when I understand the situation.
Yeah.
You understand me?
And me can understand enough, because at 3 years, I don't know one another for me, just... I want...
You're what I say. Because nobody never did it when whatever, the whole situation. I'm not to come and say, she tell liar, she not doing that. I'm not trying to discriminate nobody's character. You understand me?
Okay.
So, but that's how to deal with it, don't have to deal with it.
Alright, deal with it, me G, and let me know. And, I think maybe after the first or 2 payment, she can just make a video come down, you know, and just leave it that. Because she have the power to come on social media and talk if she wants. I feel her money, you know what I mean? So she want do what she has to do to get her money. So, I'm sorry, it's hard to be at the end, because 3 years with a relationship, and...
It's not a relationship thing. It's not a relationship thing, my brother. It was never a relationship thing. Some I don't know where you gonna get them chewing that for. You understand me?
Okay.
No, you record me whatever, but you understand me? But that's why this gets started and that's it. You understand me? It not have nothing to do with you talk about where you try to insinuate. You understand?
All right. Now I can stay this then, bro. I'll make you just do the
At
right
the
thing.
end of the day, that's the difference.
Alright, and respect for reach out and all. I appreciate it. Because you're man enough to talk. And I go talk to her and hear what she said. So if she said take it down, me take it down. If she said make it stay till the first payment, make it stay. Alright? Alright, big up, cool. Yeah, well, and he just send me the instead me for put up the picture here. Put up this picture. Yeah. Enough goal the rest of it. Instead we put up the picture there. Hey, goddess. I wanted that one.
Yes, my love. I didn't
Look
scam
here.
her. I ate her
Look
for the
here.
money.
Exactly. So this is what the man need to do. Go back to taking
Okay,
eatings.
so it wasn't a relationship. It was a understanding.
It was
He
an
was giving her
understanding.
what
She
she
go
wanted,
him
and
go to
him
the
she said him
dining.
make her happy, so him asked her for some money, and she give.
Yes.
Yeah,
And
that.
then she want back the money because she not get nothing more.
I'm real tongue that.
I mean, I know.
No,
Well, if you say I
I'm
eat, I
tongue that. I
eat.
think that's AI.
Look here,
Him
I do
say
every
eat
goddamn
her.
right
I
thing, you know.
ate her. You know, he has that good
Yes.
English put together and
Yes.
stuff. So he said,
Yes.
I didn't scam her. I ate her for the money. Yeah.
He didn't scam. Me no say never scam her. 'Cause 3
Yeah.
years, 3 years, a life sentence that me say.
And listen,
And if
hear
you
what
know
I'm
something
saying?
for 3 years.
Him say, I know you're recording me.
When
So
when time I asked her, say, how much time you and him do intercourse? She said, it's all. She said,
Too much to count.
Yes, I mean, I said, something must have gone there.
Of course.
listen, we can
You're not
imagine.
stupid. You can, yeah, in good, and can't stand up to it, but he can't face it. And that's what Minda do. And she not get no more facement,
And
so she vex.
you don't even listen, we don't even know that because sometimes, you know, when time man get pound with nerves and we and them go through the mashallah, we talk all sort of things about them body. I say them not good in a bed and them not this and them not that. When it's not really even true. We did it all long and enjoy it. So we don't even know. So him probably have it in a waist and him have it in a face. Him probably very good. Because if it take up £3,000 and give to a man, he must have been in your mind.
Was it an overtime thing or a one-time give?
I think I two install. You get it in 2 installment. I think one.
Okay.
Then 2.
Him did I go out with something real good.
Him in a face up to him attention, man. Him in a face
But
up
no,
to
so
it.
she
Good
crawl
job.
upon her hand and her foot back way like spider.
If you go look, maybe one side I wall gone.
Oh my God, this guy.
With them the kind of money.
Ladies, on the link him up and see if you can help him there over England. You know, him provide services. He paint walls.
Me there New York. Me can't go over there. I would have take a trip, but
if you're in England and you want your walls painted, contact this guy on the screen, and you can contribute to him paying back the lady her $2,000, and you will be serviced, and after you will feel refreshed.
Yep. You'll always come back for more. No,
he provide various service. He provide the backward crawl like spider. He provide the scream for mama.
The monkey fly.
He provide the scream for Jesus. He provide the scream to let the legs shiver. He is perfect at his painting job. Contact him. He has a lot of tongue to spare.
I want to make my patient one thing because yesterday my patient I said she need a real man, you know. So maybe she have like a London.
You think she easy or she in charge? Man, I ask you. As an alpha female to another alpha female girl, I know you're listening, and I can tell you, you were in charge. You call.
That's right. Every time I do that.
Yeah, you
Anyway,
call all the shots and everything. That's why you can't come out here and tell us say I'm an idiot. Oh no, man. No, worry yourself. I'm an idiot, man.
Yeah, okay. And you know, said that man
Even
never
when the man I
go
try to
eat,
kind
you
of
know.
like not tell you personally, say much right, protect him platform.
Yes. He
Him
might
just
protect
tell you
it,
say, oh, me
yes.
cannot this and me cannot that. You say, no
Right.
man,
Him
I
still
idiot,
respect
man.
that part of
No,
it
he's
there. Yeah.
listening. He is
Yes.
right here listening with all of us.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah.
I agree.
And
You
him know
can
say I
make
go
it
go
known
back
in
there
the
one
in the in
day.
the chat who you are, so that the ladies, if they want a little eat and they can
Yeah.
contribute something to the
Inbox
payment,
them.
they can
Yeah.
inbox you and you can provide your service and pay up that money to the lady so she can get off your name and you can go walk away free and provide eating service for the rest of your life. Don't eat for free.
Trust me, somebody in the chat want to pay
Cost
off
a
that debt
lot.
for him.
You have a woman out there
Mm-hmm.
right now with
Yeah.
a technical of that.
Mm-hmm.
When you really hear this,
Then I vex. She vex man, cause somebody else I get it and she not get none. Jealous, she jealous. And then she sit down there talk the other man with this man. What you think this man I go do now? The man I go say, well, and then the same way when me I go out, she go on out with me. Mm-hmm.
You see, all
Just
another
like
man
that.
we want the money to come back. We are try advocate for her for the money. Him want it come back, so him can name out somebody too,
I who tell you? Him a go be the one to collect it.
no man, she say I'm a good working man and in these terms.
Yes, him did say the same
Every
thing about the
man good and
painter.
working, so till where you see the
Yeah.
true side. And
Yeah.
let me tell you something, mix up, boss. Let me tell you, it's a woman. We like to paint this picture as if we are this self-righteous creatures, where like if something bad happen, it's out of a misunderstanding or something. Like there, listen, you see when a woman, like seriously, we got to be. You see a man, him attention span is that's why man mostly get catch, when they cheat and when they do things, them always get catch up on because them not calculating like woman. You see woman.
We test drive
You
it
see
first before we
woman.
go with it.
Hold on. How over here tell me about movement picture? Hey, no, come over here and tell me what to do now. No, listen and sit down here now.
Yeah, the man said to put it out there, make it stay. The man said to put it there.
You see, woman can be very manipulative, very calculating. Them can paint you listen. And we can put emotions in it because when we're ready, we're crying. And we make it seem like, oh, we're so vulnerable.
Anyway, guys, that for now. Big up on yourself. All right? Me soon.